about what the vertical and horizontal slopes are. So we're going to look at again, and you should have been able to prove this yourself, but let's look at y, right? Let's do our same strategy. To find slope, we're going to have to pick 2 points and find the change in y, the vertical change, over the horizontal change, which is the change in x, right? And with these lines, I'm just picking 2 random points. You must remember the word horizontal versus vertical. So horizontal is this way, vertical, like the V goes up. That might be an easy way to remember it. V goes up, horizontal has a line in between for the H. So horizontal like an H, and V vertical up. Okay, so let's figure out what our change in Y and change in X is. Well, did I go up? Do I have to go up any? No, I don't, to get from here to here. So my change in Y is going to be 0. I don't have to move any up to get from here to here. My change in X is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. My change in X is 4. Okay, and what is 0 over 4 equal to? Well, it's equal to 0. I have 0 parts of 4 of something, right? So that's equal to 0. So that's why with a horizontal line, our slope is going to be equal to 0. Okay, because I have no vertical change. Now, with the vertical line, let's pick 2 points on the vertical line. This point and that point, okay? I'm going to do the same thing. Change in Y over change in X. Okay. Now, when I go from here to here, I've got a vertical change of 1, 2, 3, 4. So my vertical change is going to be 4. But I already got to the other point. I don't have a horizontal change this time. So my X change is 0. Well, you cannot have a 0 on the bottom. Why? Because if I'm saying that I want 4 pieces of your 0 pizza, I can't do that. I can have 0 pieces of your 4 pizzas, right? But I can't have 4 pieces of your 0 pizzas. So that is why for vertical, the slope is going to be undefined, right? Because if you have a 0 on the bottom, it is called undefined. And I would put that in your notes if you don't already have that. The slope for a horizontal line, and remember horizontal with an H has the line across, is 0. And the slope for a vertical line, which is up like the V, is undefined because there's a 0 on the bottom, which you cannot have.